To you right there, folks.
Oh, quit.
Later, he gonna show it to you right there, folks.
Oh, quit.
That's a good looking trout right there.
There
This
he
is
is.
fun. Uh-oh, we might
Get
have
him.
Oh, he let go of it. That's a pretty trout, ain't it? I just had one take my floater under. Oh, there he goes. Got one. Fish on.
Look at it.
Oh, it's a big one. Yeah, buddy.
Heck yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one here now.
And a chunky.
Yeah. Got me a trout. Look at that monster. Minnows. And I'm going to use Berkeley power bait. So, see if we can get it done. I'm using my Segoy Lang. It's a 2000 reel, 6-pound test line. Got a little floater on there for trout with a very, very little bitty hook.
Here. Oh, he come back for it. You got him in.
Yeah, I got him in.
Heck yeah. That's like mine too.
Oh, that's a nice one there. Got off right there. They're coming up close to the bank over here.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I don't know what's in it.
That's a
Oh,
up. There he is. Ain't that a pretty fish? That's a good sized rainbow right there.
Oh my God.
He dropped it. He dropped it. It was some slick dudes, ain't they?
They are. Oh, it's
Oh, that's a pretty one there. Look at that. That's a pretty one there. Yeah, it is.
That's a sizable one.
It's on. That's a good one there. Oh yeah, that is a good one right there. Oh, dang. That's a good one there. That's about 2-pounder. I got that on camera, didn't I? Oh, he got off. See that right there? We got a fish on. They got a fish. Got him a fish. Let's see if we can get us a little closer here. Pee on you?
No. He milked me. We got a leaker.
And we got a fish on. Oh, he threw my minnow out towards the lake. Come on now, I can't raise my arm up no higher than that. God, dog. Oh, he's spewing. Oh, he's going out of my hand too. Oh well. Here we go. There he is. Oh, he spewed that white crap all over.
Still got it on my boat.
Got him.
Yeah.
Get him, Possum, get him.
Get some drag
That's a good one there, long, skinny one. That's a good one there.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Oh, he jumped out of the water, you see that? Last one of the day, folks. Last one of the day. We've caught plenty.
Yeah. Had a ball.
Come on up in here, brother. Come on up in here. This is Brother Possum Outdoors right here now. Hey, we appreciate each and every one of y'all watching the video today. We hope you enjoyed it. It's just a good day to come out and go fishing for a while. And we get up a little closer and he's spewing up this deal. They're getting ready to spawn. Look at that. You see him squirting out of there? Oh yeah, he's getting off in my hand. Hey, we're gonna let him go. And like I said, we appreciate each and every one of you hanging out with us. We hope you enjoyed this video. Look at trout jumping over there now. And we had a blast. He called me up and said, hey, you still want to go trout fishing? I said, well, yeah, I want to go trout fishing. And he brought me over here, man, and this is a blast. I'm telling you, I had a blast. Awesome.
Bob.
I appreciate it, brother.
Yes, sir.
Bringing me over here, man. It has been good. Hey, I'm going to tell y'all guys something right here. You ever get a chance to go fishing with a man, he knows what he's doing, and he can catch some fish. He is a true fisherman. He can catch some fish. And I'm not just saying that. You can go look at his videos and see that. And about everywhere he goes, man. But he don't just fish for catfish. He does crappie, bass. I mean, he fishes for all bluegill, trout.
Everything.
And when he found out that I was trout fishing, and I love trout fishing now, man. We've been playing this for a while. But
It's just fun.
yeah, I've had a blast, man. Like I said, I appreciate you bringing me over.
Yeah, ain't no
It's
problem.
been fun. So like I said, we're gonna get out of here, head home because the cloud's coming up and he's got some stuff to do. And it done rained on us once this morning, but it's supposed to rain again pretty good here in about an hour. So we're gonna get out of here, get home, get this video done, and we'll see y'all next time. Tails up, baby.
Tie lines, God bless.